Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by picking a VPN that offers fast servers and a kill switch. This protects you if the connection drops. Once chosen, install the client and verify it supports the target country. Make sure you log out of the Steam client and clear cached location data because Steam can detect previous regions. Next, connect the VPN to the region where the game is already available. Do this now. It creates the new network identity you'll use for purchase and download. With the VPN active to the target country, open Steam and allow it to detect your new region. You may need to update your store country and account settings. Do this only while connected. For payment, use a local card, correct address, or buy regional Steam wallet codes because mismatched billing triggers restrictions. Once purchase completes, start the download immediately while still connected to the VPN and to the same server. This reduces the chance Steam flags the content. Finish by keeping the VPN connected until the game is fully downloaded. This prevents Steam from revalidating location mid-transfer. Once the files are local and verified, you can test running the game. Some titles work offline without the VPN. If you encounter purchase or download blocks, first clear Steam's download cache and log out, then reconnect to a different server in the same country and retry. If issues persist, change payment method or use regional wallet codes. Those usually bypass billing mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.